Ever tried soldering tiny SMD components with a basic heat gun? My old rework station took ages to heat up. Temperature was never stable, causing soldering errors every time. Switching nozzles felt like a risky operation. I ruined a PCB trying to solder a BGA chip. Airflow was either too weak or way too strong. Precision? Forget about it with my old setup. I needed something powerful, fast, and accurate. Scrolling through tech forums, I saw people raving about SUGON. A friend sent me a video demo of the SUGON 8650Pro. The instant heat-up feature caught my attention immediately. 1300 watts power? That's industrial-grade performance right there. I checked out its 9 interchangeable nozzles. Rock curve mode for temperature control sounded futuristic. Dual station design promised quick nozzle swaps. I ordered it right away. Couldn't wait to try. First thing I noticed, heats up in just 3 seconds. No more waiting around for the station to be ready. Airflow adjustment was insanely precise. 200 levels. I could finally match airflow to every soldering task. Swapping nozzles became super easy with the sleep bracket. Each nozzle fit perfectly for different component sizes. Rock curve mode kept temperatures steady, reducing errors. No more burnt chips or cold joints. My lead-free soldering projects finished faster than ever. Even delicate SMD work felt totally under control. I tackled the BGA rework confidently. No overheating. The station's dual design made multitasking seamless. Now I breeze through PCB repairs without stress. Every solder joint looks professional and reliable. This tool seriously leveled up my electronics game. No more frustration or wasted components. I can focus on creativity, not technical limitations. Why struggle with outdated soldering stations? Imagine finishing your projects twice as fast. Wouldn't you love flawless results every time? What if your soldering could be precise and effortless? Ready to upgrade your electronics workspace? Why let poor tools hold back your skills? How much time could you save with instant heat up? Are you still risking errors with unstable temperatures? Don't wait, grab the SUGON 8650Pro and transform your soldering.